I'm doing a calendar, a holiday calendar unboxing for you guys. Now, I had planned to do this, it was delivered to me actually on January the 4th, but I didn't know it was here. It was delivered by the mail, and it was actually delivered next door. Nobody lives next door. But it was delivered there, and it was not under shelter, and it was in the rain for a whole week. So guys, needless to say, my calendar was absolutely soaked, and I had to try and get it dried out. So, better late than never, right? So, guys, let's jump in here and let you see. This is a fantastic holiday calendar. This is a product by Lang. Okay, and this is it right here. The title is Celebrate Every Day. Now, what you're looking at right here, I'm going to flip it around to the back. This is an actual gift jacket that it comes in when you order it. This is perfect for if you're buying it as a gift for somebody else. But Lang, the quality of this, the paper is really thick. And I'll have to tell you this, when this was in the rain for a whole week, not under shelter, the box that it came in was drenched to the point where it had already fell apart. And although this was not packed in plastic, thank goodness it did have this gift jacket on it that did protect the calendar to a certain extent. Now, it was totally soaked for me, and I had to dry it out, and I even ironed it with the ironing board because the pages were stuck together and it was so rippled. But I saved it, and I want you to see it because it's really a nice calendar. Now, when you open it up, the paper on this is beautiful, and I don't know if you can see it, but it's got a slight pattern to it. And see the lines in it? It's really thick. It's real thick paper. So that is a plus right there, right off the bat. And I just noticed something here. Let me look at this. This calendar by Lang is actually bigger than a regular wall calendar. Look at the difference right there. Can you see that? That is at least an inch. At least an inch bigger than a regular calendar. So if you're going to be putting something on the wall, this is perfect for that. Now, what I like about this too is you see this right here? Right there? It actually has a hanging grommet right here where you can hang it. Most calendars do not have that, and you know what happens every time we touch it or flip the page, we rip it, and then our calendar's all messed up. But this actually has a hanging grommet on it, so good on them, good on them. Okay guys, I'm going to hang this up right here, and we're going to take a look at this calendar and see what makes it so great. First off, we already know that it's a larger calendar, which is fantastic. We see that they have topped the top banner in whatever the month is. Now, the other holiday calendars that I've looked at with you before, they illustrated January as being National Soup Month. It is National Soup Month, but it's also National Walk Your Dog Month. So Lang has illustrated Walk Your Pet Month. I said Walk Your Dog. They've titled it Walk Your Pet Month. So that's fantastic. Now, I'm looking at the illustrations here. They look great, guys. Like I said, this paper looks great, and it's very thick. The artwork on the illustration is real pretty. They do have a holiday that they are representing for every single day. Now, they're not doing an illustration, it doesn't look like, as far as the artwork, but it is telling you what the holiday is. But the illustrations that they have placed in here is really pretty. Really pretty. Nice. Nice green color for January. Looks like, oh, February's in red. It's National Cherry Month. The same. It has their pick for the illustrations for February. Looks like March is National Craft Month, and they're illustrating it at the top. Nice large pages. It even gives you, it's plenty of room to write on it as well. Okay. Okay, April is National Car Care Month. Wow, guys, these pages, it looks like they're picking a different color for every single page here. Their colors are real pretty. May is International Drum Month. Again, they have beautiful illustrations. The artwork is really pretty. Thick paper all the way through on every one of them, guys. Beautiful color again. June is Aquarium Month. Up here. July is National Hot Dog Month. August is National Peach Month. Beautiful blue page. September, National Classic Music Month. Excuse me, Classical Music Month. October is National Cookie Month. You know we can't forget about that one. Everybody knows October is National Cookie Month. We have cookie parties all month long that month, don't we? November is National Pomegranate Month. And last but not least is our December. And they are illustrating December for National Tie Month. Beautiful pages, guys. Like I said, guys, what I love about this is it's larger than the other calendars. It's great for hanging. It has a grommet at the top, which makes it less likely to tear. The pages are very thick and the artwork is beautiful. I don't see anything wrong with this at all. It's a beautiful holiday calendar. And having this gift jacket on it is perfect for gift giving as well, guys. So I'm going to be using this calendar to be able to tell you guys all about the upcoming holidays for the next 11 months. Okay, guys, that's it for unboxing. A holiday calendar unboxing. Okay, guys, we're going to be going over a lot of stuff. So, if you love the holidays and you want to learn more about the holidays, then stick with us. Okay? If you want to watch another video, you can click right here. If you want to know more in-depth information about the holidays, then make sure you subscribe right here. Okay, everybody, have a great day. It's raining outside, and I'm about to get me something comforting to eat, and I'm going to snuggle up by the window, and I'm going to watch it rain because my work is done. Bye, guys. Love you.